Hi friends! Alright, today I'm going to help you on your Unit 2 TGA about writing inequalities. Okay? But first, we need to review. Okay? Remember, this is our less than sign. Okay? So, we would say x is less than 4. X is any number less than 4. This is our less than or equal to sign. Okay? This line right here is the equal to. This is less than, the line is equal to. So x is less than or equal to 5. X can be any number less than 5, or x can be the number that is equal to 5, which would be 5. This is our greater than sign. X is greater than 1. X is any number bigger or more than 1. This is our greater than or equal to sign. X is any number that is bigger than 7, or x is the number that is equal to 7, which would be 7. Okay? So, let's remember how we solve for x. Okay? So, what we want to do is we want to get x by itself. How do we get x by itself? We need to get rid of this plus 5. If you have 5, how do you get rid of 5? You subtract 5. So we're going to subtract 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Perfect. We have gotten rid of that 5 and we have x by itself. But whatever we do on one side of our sign, we have to do on the other. So we've got to subtract 5 from both sides. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now we want to carry our sign down. So it looks like this. So now we have x, we have our sign, and we have the number 4. Do you remember what this sign is? The sign is greater than, okay? Remember, our sign is like an alligator, and he always eats the bigger number. Since he's eating x, that means x has to be bigger than 4. Which numbers are bigger than 4? 7 and 9. All right. Okay, so let me help you on your TGA. This says, Mr. Smith has a maximum of $50 to spend at the museum. So already we know Mr. Smith cannot spend more than $50. So whatever Mr. Smith spends has to be less than or equal to 50. Okay? He can spend $50 or less. So I'm going to make sure that our alligator eats $50. Okay? It can also be equal to $50, so that's why I wrote the less than or equal to sign. A ticket to the museum costs $7. So I'm going to put 7 on this side. He can spend P dollars to buy other things at the museum. Write the inequality that can be used to find the values for P. Well, we already know he spent $7. He can spend 7 plus P. P stands for how much money he can spend. 7 plus P is less than or equal to 50. Now we need to solve. We need to get P by itself. How do I get rid of this 7? Well, I'm going to subtract 7, right? 7 minus 7 equals 0. So now I've gotten P by itself. But whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So I'm going to subtract 7 on this side, which equals 43. Carry down our sign. So now I have P is less than or equal to 43. So now we know that Mr. Smith can spend 43 or less dollars. So that's how you write an inequality and solve. I have another example for you. Okay. Oh, look at the cute puppy. All right, this one says, Bill spent less than $26 on a game and some composition books. The game cost $6. How much did the composition books cost? So we know Bill spent less than $26. Okay, so at most, he spent $26. We know that 26 is Bill spent less than $26. So at most he spent 26. The game cost $6. How much did the composition books cost? Using a variable, write an inequality to represent and solve the situation. So 26 is greater than 6 plus, I'll put a B for books. Okay. We know he spent less than $26. So, how do we find how much he spent? Let's get rid of this 6. Now we have B by itself. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. 26 minus 6 equals 20. Bring down our sign, which is greater than. So 20 is greater than the amount that he spent. Okay? All right, we're going to keep reviewing this through Christmas and again when we come back from Christmas break. But for now, this is what you need to know to do your TGA. If you have any questions, call me, email me, text me. Have a great day.